Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity announces that internally displaced persons will stage a mass sit-in protest on November 20 as part of the ongoing boycott call against the Manipur SANGAI Festival 2025. Kokumi convener Khuraija Mathauba urged the public to extend support to the protest. Addressing the media at Kokumi office in Lumphel today, Mathauba highlighted the continued hardship and uncertainty faced by thousands of displaced people over more than 2 years of unrest. He alleged that the government is pushing ahead with preparations for the festival despite Kokumi's boycott called and without adequately addressing humanitarian concerns. He questions whether hosting the festival was more important than the issues related to human rights violations and claimed that the event was being organized for the government, not for the people. Mathauba further appealed to the public to cease work on November 21, the opening day of the festival, and participate in mass sit-in carrying placards bearing a message such as Manipur people boycott SANGAI Festival 2025 and demand for protection of public rights. He maintained that the issues concerned not only Kokumi, civil society organizations and IDPs but all citizens of Manipur.
Quite Maruba, Poda priority Tamdadana, Ahenba, tourism festival Lomdoina, attention Pishalakpa, Asumba Tongasi, Yamnamaram Chadaba, Matong Huktaba, Lamdamasigi Mia, Masigi Awana, Amadi Tengnariba, Amadi human rights violate Tobugi, crisis asa, Masibu Namzilaga, Tamnanaba, Satarapa Tongi, Habasi, quite Kudimagna, moral responsibility, Lomina Rakanda, Masi Yade, Habama Kangan the Yadabagi, Kokomina, Boyko, Sigi Manungchana, a quite Kudimak, Dagi, Tonadana, Sintal Lepaga, Tankunmatoi, Sangai Festival, Hodukunumina. Akoi punna protest dominasi yaning dabadu ulminasi makoina singadori porase miyam yaude miyam yauduna sinba thoromni habado madu akoi malengi miyam da masigi paujilasi yohandabe yade.
Speaking to the media, IDP committee leader Inaucha criticized the government for moving ahead with the festival despite the prevailing situation. He said the priority should be the rehabilitations and resettlement of displaced families rather than spending a large amount of public money on the event, and appealed to the government to cancel the festival in view of the suffering faced by IDPs.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯗꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯅꯝꯗꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯉꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯥ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ IDP ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯤꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯗꯣꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯇꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯋꯦꯁꯇꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯁꯥꯎꯊꯇꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯃꯌꯣꯟꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯒꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗꯗꯅ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ